Hello friends, this is a new video and I'm going to make bread cutlets out of the remaining bread from the gold coins. For the gold coins recipe, check the link in the description down below. In this video, I'm going to share the screen with my cousins Sam and Alan. Sam is good at drawing and Alan is a tennis champion. It's going to be fun doing the video together. Yay! Come, let's see what all do we need. You will need the remaining bread from the gold corn recipe, 1 egg, boiled potatoes, 2 boiled potatoes, coarsely grinded sweet corn, chili powder, garam masala and salt as per how much you need. If you want, you can add more veggies, example broccoli, beans as per you need.
I'm going to smash the potatoes. I'm going to tear the bread pieces into small.
I am going to beat the egg.
Let's get started.
Hey Alan, how's the smashing going on?
Very nice.
You smashed everything?
No, not till now. Addy, how is your smashing going on?
It's going very well. I have only 2 more pieces left.
Oh.
Hey Sam, how's your egg mixing going on?
Well,
I have coarsely grinded the bread to get this texture.
Alan, can I put these potatoes?
Yes. You asked me at the right time.
Aiden, can I put the egg?
Yeah. Pour it slowly. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Sam, put the coarsely grinded corn. Now I'm gonna get my hands ready. I'm gonna smash it with my hand. I have now mixed it nicely and I'm gonna make it into the shape of a cutlet. Should be like this. Put them into a cutlet formation and it's ready to fry. Leave it 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I left it 2 to 3 minutes on one side. I'm turning it right now. It's a very healthy recipe because of the brown bread. You can add lots of vegetables. I added only potato and corn. And the egg is to make it moister. Eat it with oil or ghee as per your convenience. It is ready to take the cutlets. The aroma was nice and the sizzling sound while frying was good. And it's tasting time. It's yum. Sam, did you like it?
Yeah, it's tasty.
Alan, did you like it?
Yes.
Good, Alan. Good, Alan. This is a very tasty recipe. If you did not subscribe and like, please subscribe and like to my YouTube channel and Facebook page, Young Chef Aiden Dave.
Try it.
Like it.
Share it.